Hi guys, I'm Tim Box, Mind Coach. If you're watching this video, you're probably already familiar with my channel. I deal with all things anxiety related. I help people get control of their own emotional responses and the way they think, feel and behave. But I have a very, very special announcement today because finally, after a lot of talking about it, we now have a members area on this YouTube channel. So what that means is you'll be able to sign up as a member and get loads and loads of extra anxiety advice and mind coaching tips. Now, the first thing to say is that everything about my channel, the free stuff, remains the same. You're still going to get 2 videos every week and you're going to get a live stream with me doing a Q&A every Friday. Nothing about that will change. But if you're looking for extra support and also a slightly safer space to deal with anxiety stuff and get advice on that, then that's what the members area is all about. So I want to run you through the 3 main things that you'll get in that members area. The first thing, you will get the full video training for the control system. Now, the control system is my method of hypnotherapy that I use with clients basically, but at its heart, it can be applied as a self-change method as well. So when I'm seeing clients, I'll often teach them how to use this method for themselves so they can make their own changes. And that's what you're gonna get in the members area is the full 10 video training course teaching you how to make those changes yourself. So you want to get rid of a fear, the control system's there to do that. You want to get control of anxiety, you can use it for that as well. You want to change a bad habit, it can be used for that as well. Anything about what's going on with the way you think, the way you feel and the way you behave, it's all locked in your subconscious and the control system teaches you how to get access to that and upgrade the way you're responding. The second thing you're gonna get is the Clear Your Head Anxiety Program. Now, this is the main reason for having a members area because I've filmed something like 80 or more videos designed to teach people about their anxiety response and how to get control of it, and then never really had a place to put it. I wasn't comfortable with it being on my website and I didn't really have a platform where it just seemed to fit. And now that we've got this channel going and there's people following what I do and seeing the videos, it seems a perfect time to put this whole anxiety program up and available for people. As I say, there are like more than 80 videos, but the way this is going to unfold is I'll put 3 new videos up every week, and they're very much going to be designed to be taken in bit by bit. I don't want you to binge 80 videos. This is why I'm sort of drip feeding them so that people don't get overwhelmed by the amount of content there. There's no particular place to start and there's no particular place to end. It is just week on week, more and more information about anxiety, how we get control of it. Included in those 3 videos, one of them is going to be kind of like a guided relaxation or self-hypnosis recording where you'll be able to just close your eyes, relax and allow me to speak directly to your subconscious. So if that's what you're looking for, then that's what you'll get in the members area. The final thing you'll get, exclusive live streams with me. Now what I want to do, I do live streams every week, as you will already know, probably on a Friday, but one other day of the week, which I haven't decided yet, but I will decide, I'm going to do exclusive live streams only for members so that we can have a slightly deeper dive discussion into things. You can ask your questions in a place that you feel is safe, and also so I can go through and do a deeper dive into the content that's gone up that week on the Clear Your Head program. So it's kind of as a companion to all of the stuff that's already in the members area, and you can then speak directly to me and ask me questions about how to apply it or how it all works or what to do going forward. You probably want to know what this is going to cost you. So it's $8.99 per month to be a member of this channel. So what that equates to is less than 1 cup of coffee every week, and it'll be a lot better for you as well. The other thing you'll also get for that, I'm going to be archiving the Friday lives that I do on the free side of the channel. They're going to be archived in the members area as well. So you'll be able to look back on them and re-watch them as many times as you want. If that's what you're looking for, then all you've got to do is hit the join button, and you will find the join button right next to the subscribe button on the front page of my channel. I hope you like the members area. I hope you get something from it. I look forward to seeing you there.